Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long to boil an egg? 5 minutes. Set white and runny yolk, just right for dipping into. 6 minutes. Liquid yolk, a little less oozy. 7 minutes. Almost set, deliciously sticky. 8 minutes. Softly set. This is what you want to make Scotch eggs. 10 minutes. The classic hard-boiled egg, mashable but not dry and chalky.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place eggs in a medium pot and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a boil, then cover the pot and turn the heat off. If you're using an electric cooktop, carefully move the pot to a cool burner. Let the eggs cook, covered, for 9 to 12 minutes, depending on your desired doneness, see photo.
Let's help you make your mark.
Boil for 6 to 7 minutes over medium-high heat for perfect hard-boiled eggs. Using a slotted spoon, transfer them to a large bowl with ice-cold water and let them cool for a few minutes. Or you can place them under cool running water to stop the cooking. Peel and serve the eggs immediately. 17 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Place the pan over high heat until it reaches a boil. Turn off heat, cover and let it sit for 13 minutes. After exactly 13 minutes, remove the eggs from the pan and place them in an ice water bath and let them cool for 5 minutes. Carefully crack the egg shells, making sure the majority of the shell is cracked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.